Just playing an aeroplane. And this guy's being annoying because he's asking me for money.
Well, yo, I think I like the Google version of Roblox way better than I like this one. Yeah. Hey, come to your Naruto real quick. Oh look, I'm derpy.
Guys, we gotta join my brother. He's playing so cool.
Okay, like legit, I need to.
Guys, my brother
Not
made
leave.
some fan art for me, I guess. So, I mean, I'm just saying, go try and annoy my brother. If you see him in real life, you need to annoy him.
Don't annoy me, please, no.
Just annoy him.
Don't.
Please.
Don't be dumb like that.
Yeah. I forgot about this crappy music. Hey, now, where is my brother? Okay. He's being Kakashi again.
I like this one. I'm beautiful now. He's also fun fact, Kakashi's actually a pervert. Like pervy said.
Yeah, there's way too much perverts in this. What is wrong with your skin color in this game, dude?
I'm pale. In real life, I used to be pale, and well, holy crap, I'm so tall. I guess that resembles that I'm your bigger brother. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Don't be Kakashi though. You're here. You be derpy Naruto. Derpy Naruto.
Guys, make sure not to be these morphs.
These morphs are the only good ones, like legit.
Yeah, these ones are right here, guys. They're the only good ones. These ones over here now,
this Naruto right here is also good.
Yeah.
But he's very tiny compared to me.
Like this one.
Look, this is what he's the second of a normal Roblox character. Look at me, I'm like 10 foot taller. 10 feet taller than him. My little brother. Holy crap. Oof.
Ooh.
Oh, hello, my brother.
Hi, I just dead. I just deaded.
He did.
Yeah. Come with me. Come with me if you want to live.
Okay.
Literally, come with me. No, that was not allowed to be.
Wait, do you have admin commands?
No.
Well, then
let me just look up, like, see. Yeah.
So, where are we going, Naruto?
Come on.
Naruto.
Come on, we have to go north Sasuke.
I just got the notification that you commented hashtag Dom on my YouTube video.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's hot anime girl. Hot anime girl.
Sasuke's just staring at her. Hey, guys, this is from Boruto. Yes, dude. Yes.
This is what everybody thought Naruto would look like when he's older, and they decided to screw him up, and go look up an image of what he looks like.
Okay.
This is horrible.
Naruto images. Yeah. This is what Naruto looks like now. Must hate it. You have to hate it.
And he sounds like him as a kid.
Yeah, guys. Like, it sucks. And if you want to be a YouTuber, make sure to use Screenshot-O-Matic. They only let you do 15-minute videos. That's why all of mine are like 15, around that time. Hola.
Wait, there's a place over here.
Kid, where are you? Oh,
Come with me.
oh yeah.
I am bringing you somewhere, Naruto. Follow me. Wait, do I have to roleplay?
No.
Okay. So Mother, this is what I call Billy Bob over here. This is giant.
Those ones are Billy Bob up
I'm
there.
joking. This is the academy.
I know.
It is very dark.
I know.
Go in.
Soon I'm gonna add flashlight.
Wait, hold on. You stay over there and go in first person. Like, stand right here. Like, right here and go in first person. I am the darkness.
Lol. Lol.
I've had a new meme for your channel.
Hello, my name is...
No, go. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Who the heck is this?
It's a naked woman.
No, she's actually wearing a bikini.
Wait, what? Oh my god, no. Why would you put that in your game?
I didn't.
I also jump higher than everyone else, apparently. I think it's because I'm taller.
They're trying to kill us.
Wait, they actually do try to kill us?
Yes.
Oh god.
That's exactly why I put them in the game.
Why don't you put any weapons?
Because you have to jump on their head
right?
like
Naruto's right here.
like
Follow
Mario.
me. Look. Oh my gosh, it's older Naruto.
Yeah.
It's the Naruto from the picture.
Yeah, it's that old Naruto.
It's the old image of Naruto everybody thought
it would look like. Yeah.
Why are you running into a wall, sir?
Wait,
are you
Cake Forever Boy,
Are you
Cuddler.
high, sir?
Kitten Cuddler.
Sir, are you high?
Kitten Cuddler.
Do you need help?
Kitten, come with me.
Okay. I think that Naruto guy needs help, though.
Hey, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Let me go moonwalk. I'm moonwalking. Yo.
Yeah, but there's some stuff over here you might need to note it. There's some secret morphs over here. Only for people that know my YouTube channel did. And then some faces.
Ooh, I wanna look derpy.
There's some Naruto faces over here, dude. Boom. Naruto faces.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest, you actually did a good job on this one. But now I'm lagging out.
Oof, guys. My brother's computer lags a lot, so...
Sorry, just lagged for a moment there.
I left again. But that will be all for this video, guys.
I look freaking awesome.
Bye.